Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CAT by Nagendra. So next let's continue with this sweep options. So under sweep we have seen how to use this explicit profile. So explicit in the sense we can create with our own shape material with our reference to whichever the guide curve we want. Now let's see about this line. So what is meant by this sweep line means, so just we need to specify the guide curves so that material will be added in the line form. So in line shape only material will be added. No need to create that line with ourselves. Okay. So by using line, here you can see we can use this line sweep option in total 7 ways. So let's go with one by one. First we are having two limits. So two limits we need to give from where to where we want. So now for example on the top line, just I'll create one line like this. Only single direction I'll create. Okay. One more I'll go for sketch on top line. So whether it may be straight line or inclined line, whatever it may be. So just I'll create like this. Okay. Now I need to add material between these two guides. In a line shape, material should be added between these two only. So what we can do is directly we can go here with this sweep line with reference to two limits. So this is the first limit, this is the second limit. If I go for preview, you can see material is added within a line shape. See, line shape material added between these two guide curves. For suppose if you want extra, we can take from here. So this is length 1, it means this side. So this is length 2, this side. If you don't want anything extra, so just we can keep it here 0. Okay, same relimiter 1, relimiter 2 will be there from where to where we want. Okay, like this. Line shape material will be added. So this is in a simple way I am explaining just for a better understanding. So if we go with any complex shapes, there we will use in different ways. Okay, so let me go back. Then after two limits, next we are having here limit and middle. It is nothing but like mirror extent. So guide 1 I will select this, guide 2 I will select this. If I go for preview, you can see whatever the material we are having from this guide to this guide, this material, same it will get mirrored. Okay, how much we are having here, same we will get on opposite side also. So that is limit and middle. So this will act as a middle line. So left side how much material is there, right side also same material will be added. Like this. The two material is adding only in line shape. Okay. Then next with the reference surface. So some reference surface we required. So for that, just I'll go for sketch. I'll create some reference surface here. Okay, I'll make this extrude by using mirror extent. Or only one side we required. Like this. Here. Reference surface. Guide curve 1, I'll select this. Okay. Then reference surface is this. If I go for preview, so I think that profile is not exactly on this. So let me make it here proper. So just I'll close this shape design. Okay. So on the front plane, or else I can create here directly cylinder option also. So point is this with reference to this. I'll give some radius. I'll go for one plane, offset distance. I'll create one sketch here. Okay. Then I'll project this along a direction with reference to Z direction. Then hide or show. I'll hide this. Sweep with reference to line sweep with reference surface. Guide is this. Reference surface is this. Okay. See, with reference to that guide surface only, material will be added. How much we want, we can take here like this. Okay. If you want any inclination of angle, we can take angle also. It is nothing but like it is coming tangent to that. So according to our requirement, we are able to change. So same here also, angle sectors are there. So for example, if I give some 30 degrees here, 30 degrees, let me keep it here front view. See, 30 degrees is from this tangent from here to this one. If I go for next angle sector, so that 30 degrees it will take in opposite direction. Again, if I go for next, it will take here. So like that, it will act like a sectors. Whichever the sector we want, we can select. So that is about this with a reference line sweep with reference surface. Then next we are having here with the reference curve. So instead of here surface, we want one curve. So with reference to which curve we want. Now let me delete this cylinder. So just I'll show this plane. I think here sketch also available. So same only I'll use. So with the reference curve, guide curve is this. Reference curve, I'll select with reference to this. See, with reference to this material will be added. So how much how much length we want, we can give. Angle also we can change. So before it came with reference to surface, here it will come with reference to this guide curve. So with reference to one line, one line profile will be created like this. Okay. So just to listen these options, you may get bored and you may not understand properly. But if you go for real modeling or real shape designing, so there these options will be used in different ways. Okay. Then next we are having with tangency surface. So some tangency relation we require and a guide curve should be there. So let me create one cylinder here. So what I want means I need to add material from this line to this surface tangency relation in a line shape material should be added. So directly we can go with tangency surface. Guide curve is this. Tangency surface is this. See, from this line material is adding tangent to this surface. So here whichever highlighting in orange color, that will be the output profile. Like if I say okay, tangency will come this side. If I select this, now this is highlighting in orange, right? If I say okay, material will come in right side direction, so that we can change it. So here one and here two solutions are there. Whichever we want, like left side or right side, we can use. Now if I say okay, see, right side material added. That is about line sweep with tangent surface. Then with draft direction. So this is also very useful for us. Draft direction means inclination we will get in the same shape. So just I'll go here with the draft direction. Guide is this. Draft direction with reference to z axis I want. How much angle we want, that much angle material will be created. Like this. So if you want for a better understanding, just I'll hide this. For example, directly I'll create one spiral here. So this spiral, it's same like our mosquito coil. So support on the top plane, center point is this with reference to this x direction. So end I'll give some 100, starting I'll give some 10, then revolutions I'll make it. Okay. Now we need to add material in line shape with some height with different angle. So directly I can go here with the draft direction. Guide curve is this. Draft direction with reference to this z axis. Then how much height we want here. So we are able to give some 50 I'll give here. Then angle we are able to change. See, like this. So let me reduce. So height is so much is there. Nice. Okay, if you want more angle, we can give more angle. Okay, like this in different conditions we can use this line with draft direction. Then next last we are having with two tangency surfaces. So before we have seen with single cylinder. Here if we are having two cylinders, so here we can use this. So for that, let me create one with reference to this one cylinder. Then one more I'll create somewhere here. I'll make this extrude by using mirror extend. Then this sketch I will show. Already one sketch we have created. So now what I want means I want one tangency surface between this to this. So spline is this. First tangency, second tangency, go for blue. See, with reference to this curve, like line material is adding tangent to this to this. Same here also. This is also possible. This is also possible. If I say okay, see, tangency surface will be created. So this extra material later we are going to trim, that we are going to discuss later under operations toolbar. So just we are able to see here how to use these options. Okay. So that is about this line sweep option. I hope you have understood about all these options. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And if you feel this content is useful and you are learning a little by watching my videos, please like the video and share to your friends to whom it will be useful. And still you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that I'll get some energy or like some boost to record more videos and to help you more. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.